to danger. I'm no stranger to danger. Said I'm no stranger to danger. I've seen it all. All right, so two soldiers have started going live on social media, sharing their stories with the hope of spreading inspiration and a bit of fun in the mix. Private First Class Paula Anderson Talbert and Private First Class Avia Ives are with me now. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thanks for having us. We're live.
I don't need to ask who is who because I see a name on the stuff here. So, who is Buzz?
Me a Buzzy. She a Buzzer.
You are Buzzy and she's Buzzer.
Yeah.
All right. The army know that so they're not so sensible and thing. I want to give you a trouble. The army know. All right. Paula, let me start with you. Tell me your journey from Jamaica. Where were you in Jamaica when you left and why you entered the army? Let me start there.
Oh, actually, say I come from Portland, you see me? And I actually was born at Port Antonio Hospital, come from Bestwork. They got Bestwork, of course. Then my mother moved away from Bestwork and go to Black Rock. You understand? In kind of the Rocky, so we move, go to Long Bay. And from Long Bay now, I ended up moving out on my own with my husband, and then I go Fairhill. You understand? It never really did easy. I was a tutor, made a whole heap of things, to be honest, I'm not telling a lie. You understand? So first off, when I have my son, the big one, Tyreek, I used to work at Frenchman's Cove. I used to work for like $1,000 a week. That never make it cut it. So I go to Career Academy, but do very well at that school. I was the top student at the 7th branch, so them hired me as a tutor. I left Career Academy and go overseas because my father filed for me. I'm gonna go overseas. So when I go over there now, I find out I'm pregnant with my second son. You understand? I'm sick again. I go through a whole lot with the baby and I couldn't work for a year. And I never have nobody to keep my child in America. You know, America tough. People feel like say you're not tough, but tough. So my husband decides that I'm gonna keep the baby when he reached 6 months. At that time I could have traveled. So I carry him back to Jamaica and keep the baby, and I decide say I go try to juggle it on my own. I work a lot of jobs, home health aid, Walmart, cleaning jobs, all kind of things, and time I run and I can't get my husband and my kids them up here, so I decide say boy I go jump in at the army and do the maths. You see me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the maths.
Yeah. I hope your story a little quicker still, but it's all right. Tell me about your story, Avia.
Well, I originally come from Portmore, Greater Portmore, run Tree West. Used to go to Kensington Primary School, and then I passed to Alpha, and then I did come up here when was in second farm. I'm gonna move with my stepmother and my father, and then I got to New York with my mother, and then I graduated from high school, and then I noticed that I never do want to go to school right away. I know some mother never do want to just sit down at home, so I joined the army, and the recruiter there tell me say that it would be free schooling, it would be we can help get my mother documented and things like that. So I come up here and I do what's best for my family and me.
Yeah. What is that, or who is a private first class? I understand the private part, but why is it first class?
Like private first class is like, is that you have E1, which is a private, and you have E2, which is a private. And then you
have more responsibilities.
Yeah, and then private first class is a E3, so you just have to go up in a ranking.
Okay.
So you have E4 and then E5, like have more responsibilities than you play.
Paula, when you look ahead, is this what you're gonna do, or is this just for a little time, or you're gonna stay in the army and that's it? Have you thought about that?
To be honest, I want to stay for a little while because I want my master's, you understand? Okay. I want to go out there ready, I want to actually be a motivational speaker, and I actually want to be a teacher. So I want to get my master before I leave the army. So if I do like 2 more contracts, I'm good and I can retire good out of the army. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
fantastic. Have you them say you're constantly eating? Is true?
Well, today I'm not eat because people in my telling tell me eat too much and make me get fat. So I'm on a little diet right now. So I cut down on the eating.
All
Just a
right.
little bit.
Paula, tell me about the connection, how you guys got together, and I find it strange that you're allowed to do what you do. I don't want to ask if the army know, because they're going to find out now when you get in trouble. How you got together, and why are you doing this online thing? Why are you doing that?
You know, to be honest, we started it when we were somewhere where we can't tell over the day.
Yeah.
We actually were bored at the time, and we are saying, no, we could just go live. It was just one day we said we just go live. And we go live like 2 times, and the 3rd time we go live, we did say, oh, them break we up and thing, and we don't want to do it, you know, because we did learn a lot of new things. And once me and I click, you know, so when 2 Jamaican clicks and we did somewhere, it done deal. You understand? So me I say, all right, we are click. And then after a while, we are so we could have used this platform for other Jamaicans. You understand? We really need that. You know, some Jamaicans were in the army, we actually can do better. We do it for them until everybody just like it. So we just see a positive energy and roll with it, because we need it.
Yeah, I think this is for Paula. While I was pregnant, I was crippled from the waist down.
Yeah, when I was in Jamaica, at 19, I was in Ocherias, and I wake up out of my bed, you know, like when you get a little cramp in your foot and you juggle it down and, you know, you feel like it's going to go, it never goes. So I go to the hospital. By the time I reach at the hospital, I tell the Neville, one of my foot them come like, you know, gummy worm. I just saw it stay like, you know, me I say, it now work again. So me I say, me I'm 19, now my foot now work again. And the nurse juke me one side and my little peg there. And Fran, she do that. A 2 foot then disappear. You understand? And then them are going to give me 2 big pills and tell me, say, me have to go home with this and me pregnant and everything. And me I say, you know, so you know, my grandmother just deal with the maths. You understand?
Nobody not joke me for one of my peg them. But it's all right. So where are you going to take this? This is a full-time thing, online thing, or are you just doing it for a little time and you're going to stop?
No, you know, we're not going to end it. I want people to stay there as young people, and me at the old thing, long time, you know what I say? And me now can actually help her no matter how bad it gets, no matter how, you know, she have a rebel against me at the time. She wonder I want to thing. You understand? I want people to see it, say she herself I got change by herself. It is possible. You understand? So positive vibes for younger people and for my age to actually try to understand this generation.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we're not stopping.
Yeah. Eva, how are you accepted by your colleagues in the army?
Well, it's not rough, but I can say it's not easy because sometimes because of my age, they think I don't know it. Or if I don't know something, I will go ask somebody and maybe I'm gonna stay right or I have an anger issue basically. So I'm gonna patient. So with this job, you have to be patient. So it's little by little and
step by step.
I just feel like I'm young, I'm not gonna grow. So if we make a mistake, I just saw it go and we just learn from that. But
right.
I don't know, people just think like, I'm gonna know what I do sometime and that's frustrating.
All right. Well, I'm sure that will change. You first. Well, before I go to saying hi to anybody in Jamaica, why is it buzzer and buzzer? What?
Because I have a buzz level. You know,
stop putting nice the man.
I'm buzzing.
Stop putting nice the man. So who is the buzzy and who is the buzzer?
Buzzy.
Buzzy.
Buzzer.
All right. You first, Avia. Who you want to say hi to in Jamaica?
Well, more big up Miss Jennifer, Auntie Jennifer from TVJ and our 3 picking them and Auntie Paulette, Auntie Andina, and Miss Ricky.
Oh, is that a greeting show? Hurry up, the man.
My family in a sea here. I want to pick up my mother and my father especially. And just the whole Buzz Nation. Thank you for the support and love.
Right.
Auntie Patsy, big up yourself too.
Enough auntie you have, man. Paula, your time.
Everybody am my auntie.
you Paula.
Right. Want big up to my nice clean husband. You see me I say Duran Talbert, big up yourself. I'm a two with them, Xavier and Tyreek, and my mother-in-law Donna, Carol Smith. You understand? My grandmother, Dorothy Bartley, you know you watch me.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. My auntie them, my uncle, my cousin them, my whole heap of them. Big up on a nice clean self and Buzz Nation. And blacks. For real, big up yourself.
Oh. So some
Carlington.
I notice some people you don't say them clean. So those people who you don't say clean, them not clean. It is great to meet you both. It is great to meet you both. Just to tell the viewers that I'm not allowed to ask where they are or what they do, so they understand. Yeah. But it's great to meet you both. Please stay safe. How difficult COVID though, by the way? Last question. How difficult has that been for you?
So COVID mashed up everything.
Everything.
Like we in one different country we can't get to explore because COVID, basically.
So take it serious, people.
Yeah, and it's a very serious matter because
very serious.
Yeah.
Different, you get fined if you don't wear your mask. A different country, you have to make sure you follow the rules in that country.
Yeah. All right.
So and especially the army have them all rules to start two different rules and follow both of them.
Yeah, man. God bless you both.
Let me say happy birthday to my stepfather too. Happy birthday, Lucy.
Oh, he don't know no father, man. Greetings from across the world. That done from Christmas. I want to tell you, man. Good to see you both. Be safe in many different ways. You are in the army, so be safe with that and then be safe with the pandemic. God bless you both, and I love the two of you. All right? Continue to do what you're doing.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right. And be patient, Avia. And
it's a club, man. It's a club.
And ease off the anger thing. All right?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Bye.
Our pleasure. Private First Class, Paul Anderson Talbert, and Private First Class, Avia Ives. What a nice interview. Watcha? Hey! We'll soon come. Stranger to danger, said I'm no stranger to danger. I've seen it all, yeah. Said I'm no stranger.